making Krabby Patties. Actually, crab cakes. And we're using Pauline's recipe. We're just moving a couple little things around and adding a couple little things just to up the flavors. And we're adding a homemade remoulade sauce to it. So this is Simple Cooking, made simple. I'm the Carolina Chef. Smash that like button and let's get ready to have some awesome crab cakes. And guess what, guys? Click this little link up here and it'll be our recipe for our crab with Boursin cheese stuffed salmon. This recipe is awesome. Make sure you go check it out and let's play. So let's get started. We have a pound of lump crab meat. We have a third of a cup of crushed Ritz crackers, 3 green onions chopped, a quarter of a cup of red bell pepper, diced, minced, small, 1 egg, and then we also have a half a teaspoon of onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, dried mustard, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Give us this a little heat. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm probably not saying that 100% correctly, but I got close. And then we are going to do a quarter of a cup of mayonnaise to this. And then when you're doing a lemon, you want to try to mash this because then it's a lot easier when you're trying to get the juice out. So we're going to do a half of a lemon. And then we're going to mix all this goodness together. Now we're going to slide this to the side and make our remoulade sauce. So I've got a half a cup of mayonnaise. And here we have a half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, garlic, and smoked paprika. And I have 1/8 of a cup of spicy brown mustard, teaspoon of horseradish sauce, teaspoon of relish, and a teaspoon of sweet pickle juice. And then we're going to do about a half a teaspoon of Tabasco. So a couple little squirts there. Probably about 1/8 of a cup of chopped red pepper. And then we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice, whatever's left in this lemon here. Let this marry together while we're making our crab cakes. Letting this sit here for a while is going to let all these flavors marry together. So we'll just set this to the side. So first thing we want to do is I'm going to take some flour to the bottom of this pan. And you don't want much, you just want enough to kind of cover it a little bit. And we're doing 1 ounce scoops, so we're doing kind of small little crab cakes, about yay big. And we just want to put this on there. And then you want to do this until, or you can make them bigger if you want to. They smell delicious. Once you finish getting these all to the size you want, just sprinkle a little bit of flour on top. And now we are ready to cook these things off. About just enough oil to cover the bottom. We're going to give these about 3 minutes and then flip. Here's a close look of these cooking up. They smell wonderful with all those flavors from the onion, the red pepper, the crab. Oh man, this smells so good. Flip these. And man, don't they look beautiful? Man, I can't wait to get my hands on these. I just flipped these and they look so wonderful. I cannot wait to try some. So our crab cakes have finished. And I just put a paper towel down, let them sit in there just to get any kind of grease that could possibly be on there. And we've garnished this up with some green onion, some red pepper, some of the sauce, the remoulade sauce that we made, and some lemon. Man, these look good, and I've already had one, and they are delicious. Especially adding that sauce kicks it up a notch. And you know I love to kick it up a notch. Also, nice little tip for you guys. I've showed you this before. But if you cut your green onions off, leave about 3 to 4 inches, you can see that mine's already, I cut them off about right here the other day, and I've already got probably close to 2 inches on them. So you just kind of helps you always have green onion. These are awesome the way they are. You just put them in some water, and they are good to go. Just leave them alone. Just leave them alone. But let me tell you something, guys. This recipe is so good. This is Paula Deen's recipe. I've just moved it around a little bit, added some spices, took away a little, improvised with the measurements, and it comes out super nice. I love these crab cakes. When I make crab cakes, this is the way I make them. And they are tasty. Super tasty. And the remoulade sauce added to it. Oh, man, so good. Well, guys, we hope that you have enjoyed this video today. Make sure you do the 4 S's for me. Smash that like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe, and set your notifications. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we appreciate you watching. Leave us a comment. Have a great day. God bless.